is your name, a whisper louder than the flame. You move in silence, move in song. You've been the strength I've leaned on long. Through shadowed steps and open skies, your mercy met my doubting eyes. Each breath I take, each note I sing becomes an offering to the King. You're closer than the morning light. You're lifting hearts back into flight. Lift the sound, let it rise. You are holy, you are wise. Chains fall down, hope ignites. We're alive in heaven's light. Hallelujah, we lift our cry. I've seen the fire that doesn't fade. I've watched you move the stone away. You didn't wait for perfect hearts. You loved us wild, right from the start. Let every voice declare you right, you right, you right. Let shattered praise be whole again, again, again. Your glory rushes like a flood. We stand redeemed in holy love. Lift the sound, let it rise. You are holy, you are wise. Chains fall down, hope ignites. We're alive in heaven's light. Hallelujah, hallelujah, we're alive. You are the fire, you are the wind, you are the rock where all things begin. Lift the sound, let